Hi, welcome to Concepts Hub. India Exim Bank has released a notification for the post of management training. We'll see the total number of vacancies, age limit, and the educational qualification required to apply for the post of management training. There are different positions. We'll see the total number of vacancies is 60. UR 27, SC 8, ST 4, OBC 16, EWS 5. This is the total number of vacancies. Now we'll see academic qualification required. Management training for the post of like corporate loans and advances, project trade, lines of credit, internal credit audit, risk management, compliance, or treasury and accounts. For this, the education qualification required is MBA or chartered account with regular degree. That is, you need to have a 2 years of course duration. And along with this, you need to have a minimum of 60%, both graduation level and post graduation level. Some students in graduation level, if they have 58 or 59 percentage, and for post graduation, let us assume they had 60 or above 60, like 70%, they are not eligible because you need to have 60% for both graduation level and post graduation level. Next, we'll see management trainee law. For this, you need to have graduation in law or LLB. Same, minimum 60 percentage. 60 percentage is required in your graduation level. Management training for international trade and finance, industry, country risk analysis, and economic research. Postgraduate, for this educational qualification is postgraduate in economics with specialization in international trade or financial economics or industrial economics or agriculture economics. Same, you need to have 60% in your graduation and post graduation. So as I said, you need to have 60% minimum. Next, management training, information technology, 60% in BE or BTech degree in computer science or information technology, electronics and communication, 60% marks in graduation courses and MCA. Management training in human resource, post graduation in any discipline with diploma or degree in HR or personal management, 60% minimum required percentage is 60 in post graduation diploma or degree. So any candidates who are able to possess their economic degree before September 30, 2021 can apply. Final year students who are going to finish their degree before 30 of September can apply for the management trainee post. And along with this, you need to have a good communication skill and proficient in computer and information technology. In some universities, their CGPA or GPA may not be equal to percentage. For that, you need to have one letter in which they mentioned the conversion of grades into percentage. If you ask in the education related department in your university, they will give you that conversion formula. Age for management training, UR or EWS, 25 years is the maximum age limit, that is as on 1st of December 2020. For SC/ST, it is 30 years, OBC 20 years. As deputy manager, after 2 years of training, okay, you will get a CTC of 17 lakhs. During this training period, you will get a stipend of 40,000. Yeah. And the application date starts from 19th of December. only online application will be considered. And we'll see what is the final date. Yeah, the final date is 31st of December. So whoever want to apply for the post, first verify whether you are eligible, whether you have 60% at your graduation level and post graduation level, then you can apply, but apply before 31st of December. Thank you. Please subscribe to Concepts Hub for more job related information.